23-year-old Marcelo Martins is alongside 41-year-old Hughes and starts in midfield in place of Marcos Acuna. Lionel Messi in these qualifiers. Paz in the past, they'll expect to pick up just a little flick from Martinez. Player brought down. It is Paredes. Just too deep. Not many players in this World Cup qualifier. Just off the Copa America. Well, Martins is over there. Again calling for it on the far post. Chumacero low this time. Long run of qualifiers. Well, he's gone down under the challenge of Messi. And back to Paredes. Ocampos to the byline. Up to the captain, Martins. Nudged inside, looking for Chumacero. Martins. Salcedo behind them, but linking up nicely, to say the least here. Chumacero gets it inside. Cardozo. Full match ban for swearing at a match official. He's on the ball now. Campos. A little too much. A yellow card for that challenge. La Albiceleste so far. Paredes, Messi, Martins. Chanted here because it was a deep come along. Be his last chance for sure. Oh, Martins is in there. He's assistant, but he certainly got away. Danced away from Carrasco, and then Carrasco. Martins! The cross was begging to be headed in. Brilliant from Chumacero. Oh, Marcelo Martins! Bounce. Ocampos. Headed away. Well, this was the earlier run from Ocampos. You're not going to get a penalty for that. Comes off Otamendi. He's happy just to ball. He's gone for that deep one again. And cutting across the ball, North America. Wow. Oh, decided to go on the outside, and the pullback. Fraction of a second hesitation proved, but even so, that was the chance to clear. Kicking out a leg into the net, and that's exactly just the 1 minute of added time. Tagliafico, good, because it's been pretty much even Steven. Equaliser through. So away we go in the second half. De Paul out to Montiel, looking for that. Castro. Gets it back from Tagliafico. Neymar posted photos of the Brazil players with Ocmante. Castro goes down under the challenge of Palacio. Chumacero runs over the ball. Back to Montiel against Brazil. Jesus on the bench this time. In a good position, it's still Messi. First effort blocked. Paredes leaves it. Well, the first effort from Martinez. And again, oh, Nice. Switches it out to Torres. Foot in by Bustamante. We've got a player down here. Carrasco can come on. This is what happened to Carrasco. It was won the crucial penalty against Ecuador. Deal with it. Messi sets them on their way. Good ball by Paredes. Come on here. Was found by Paredes and I think the disappearing. The left foot of Messi here. Oh, he struck that low in. Messi, lovely touch. Martinez, good header away by Gabriel Valverde, who's been really solid at the back. To make way and make up to 5. Martinez with a lovely cushioned ball. That's a clever ball to find Palacios. He kept himself onside, but then Torres. Well, once again, that final beats them. Remember, they won the last meeting. Anda did make it to all again. Played forward by Miranda, but they've given it away. Messi. Messi has given Yar the slip, and he's got it through. Martinez left on his backside. Martinez got it through. Good header by Valdo. Stopped him temporarily at least. And then Messi's played it through for Martinez. Oh! Then he saw there was a better option to his left. Messi getting it through to Martinez. And look at that. Correa! He's smashed it home. Foot is playing well, close. First half, they now find themselves behind. No surprise there. Messi near post. Shot given this up. Breaks kindly for a Roth.
Dale,